Hey guys, it's me back on ACIMC, and today I'll be shooting a tutorial on how to make the Iron Man from Avengers Assemble animated series. So I always used to like this design. It was pretty simple. I can't find the exact one I got inspired to from the animation series. I can't find the exact suit, but I'll be trying to imagine it and replicate it. So first things first, we need the materials. Now basically all you need is going to be yellow and some red A4 paper. So yeah, mostly red actually, so let's just begin. First of all, you're gonna need to make a torso or the stomach area, and I'll just use this red sticking out there. Now this will be a good torso. So I'm going to tape it like that. Alright, now next up we are going to make is the chest area. So for that, let's do this. For this, let's just cut out a piece like this. And then with curved edges, the chest kinda looks like. I should not have done that V shape. Oh god. Let's redo the chest. I'm not satisfied with that one. Let's make it again. Just like that. That's a bit too big. Okay, there it is. Much better. Now we need the arc reactor, so I need to find my blue A4 paper. It's right there. Just a small little blue piece. Now this Iron Man has a circular arc reactor. I don't know if that's blue or white. I think it's a bit of both. Alright, plop it in there, right at the center. So there's our chest. So we can, in fact, stick it in there. But before that, let's do this. Let's put a little bit of tape right underneath it. So it'll be like, it'll be jumping out at your face. It'll be a bit more 3D. That's a bit too low. Okay, right there. Actually, let's remove that first. We need to put down the details. Alright, just like that we have it. We have the body ready. Now we are going to move on to the legs and the arms. So for the legs and the arms, I'll be using some yellow A4 paper to make some and cut out some cylinders, which I'll do real quick right now. Alright, so we have these two tiny little cylinders that will constitute the upper arm. Now we're going to make a bit longer but similar thing for the lower arm and the legs. Alright, so I cut out the cylindrical pieces that I set out to cut. So now the next step will be a bit simpler, a bit trickier, but not as time consuming, I'd say. So in this step I'll be just simply joining these using my tape joint method. Like that. Two hands. Like that. And then we'll finally before that, let's just alright, so I want you to make this kind of trapezium look on your torso, and I'll be using my trusty little scissors. To make small slices like that, and then I'll be putting my legs through them. Maybe this wasn't much of a bright idea. That just looks weird now. Alright, you know what? Let's resort to a different technique. Let's do this. Let's first let's stick the two legs together by putting tape through them like that, and then let's do this. Like that, and we can stick the buttocks to the torso right over there. And then like that we have the legs. Not my brightest of ideas. This one looks quite weird actually, but it'll have to do for now because we're running out of time. So next up we are going to put the hands in the torso itself. like that. This is weirding me out a lot. I do the same for the other hand. Tape it like that. Okay, now we need the upper area, or the shoulders, which I'll quickly make. I think that does look like shoulders. So that was what I was going for, so I'll take it. I just don't like the legs, man. The legs look super weird to me. Let's just cancel the legs for now. Now let's finally move on to the last step, which is going to be the head of the face. So for the face, I'm just going to be using some yellow AFO. And I'll be using my red alcohol marker to make the Iron Man helmet. There's that, there's that. And the mouth as well, it's like this. And we need the eyes. Alright. So I kinda enjoy making the eyes for Iron Man heads because it's just 2 lines, pretty simple to make. That's 1 and 2. They're a bit too big, so let me chop them off a little bit. Alright, so line them up perfectly. Take a little bit of tape and then just do that. But before that, I need to, almost forgotten, I need to paint this entire thing red now. Right, now I'm going to put the eyes in there. The eyes are still a bit too big and they cover up some parts, but I think that will do for the time being. That will have to do. Let's go with this. Put it right there somehow. And there you go. Now we do need to figure out what to do with the legs though. I think that's not bad either. So let's just do that. Okay, there it is. Here's our Iron Man figure, and I think that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below what you did next in my next videos, and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.